Hey guys, we're Evan and Katelyn, and today we're gonna be making no dang it. Today we're gonna be making soap geodes, kind of like this, but smaller and made out of soap.
If you've watched our channel before, you might have seen our resin geodes. It's one of our favorite projects. And if you watched the last video, you might have seen that we are now soap experts.
Oh no! Gotta trim it, cut it off. Oh no! So we're gonna try to see how accurately we can recreate this complex design, but using a brand new material that we're still very inexperienced with.
Very professional at. So here's the plan. First, we're gonna try to create the crystally geode center. So for that, we're making a sugar scrub soap, and we're gonna follow a recipe because we're responsible adults. And then for the rest, we're gonna totally wing it. It should be very fun. I'm excited.
Let's get started. Katelyn, are you ready to cut more soap?
In my dreams, we've measured the precise amount. So the recipe we're following is for sugar scrub cubes by the Soap Queen.
Hi, I'm Anne-Marie, aka the Soap Queen.
Anne-Marie seems to be the soap guru of YouTube. She's got her channel, she's got a company where she sells soap supplies, and she covers pretty much every soap tutorial you could think of.
Oh yes.
You know what I bet would be really satisfying? Like making soaps and then melting them.
This is like a continual cycle of
Yeah, that's what we should do with all of our tiny soaps from last time. Okay, so with this, you have to add the sugar very, very last because it's gonna cool the soap quickly.
The second you add your sugar, this is gonna harden up really quickly.
We're gonna do everything else first and then add the sugar last, and then it's go mode.
So we want to make a little kind of sphere-like thing, and I want mine to have a hole down the center.
Oh, you fancy.
I know, so I have some instruments right here that I'm gonna try to use to shape it as it cools.
I'm not gonna do the whole.
You're just gonna roll up a ball and stick it in the center?
Maybe. Yeah, so this is also a little different because we're adding almond oil, and it's equal parts almond oil and soap, which is very different from last time. The only experience last time adding an additional oil
was
made
the pizza
it
soap.
real greasy.
Your pizza one is leaking.
It's a feature, it's like a gusher.
But this is so much sugar too. This is more sugar than almond oil or soap. Combined. Your tea is ready, sir.
Your tea is ready, sir. 1/4 cup of almond oil.
Yep.
What scent do you want to do? Do you want to try something different, like peppermint maybe?
Sure.
I feel like mint and sugar will just make me want to eat it.
It smells good. So this looks nice and liquidy.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna pour it into our measuring cup, then we'll add color.
Oh, you're putting gloves on. I should do that too. That's a good idea.
So I think color-wise, we're just gonna add a white, shiny mica powder because we want it to look crystally.
So here, you do the mica powder, I'll do the sugar, and then we'll...
Don't do the sugar
start?
yet. Put it in and we'll do the mica powder and get it stirred in.
No, we can do the sugar at the beginning.
No, you're not supposed to. You're supposed to fully mix the color first before you add the sugar.
Incorporate the fragrance and the color before you add your 6 ounces of sugar.
Oh.
That's what the Soap Queen says.
Okay. I didn't pay attention.
That's the Soap Queen.
All right, ready for me to pour?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
I think not a ton of white. I feel like we did
Not a ton.
in the others.
Yeah. Can you start scooping the...
The sugar? Okay, 1, 2. So much sugar. 3.
All right.
Really mix it very fast.
Go.
What do we do?
Go.
You just want to scoop it? Should I pour it?
No, well, yeah, you can. Do what you need to do for yours first.
I don't know.
I thought you had a plan.
No, I have. You go first. I might want to copy you.
You can't because you're doing a hole in yours. Here's my plan.
So 1.
Oh, you're just going. Okay.
2.
You're doing really big crystals.
3. I'm doing 3 different sizes. It's fine. Oh yeah, I probably should just copy you.
Oh God, you're making such a mess.
Oh, this is nice to play with.
I know, right? Don't you want to? It's like cookie dough.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try 1 wild card. I am gonna. Oh, it's solidifying. Maybe I should just use my finger. Okay, going in. Okay, I'm trying one with a hole in it. I think that looks kind of cool, actually. I'll have one kind of nice round, one semi-hole, and one full hole.
Oh, jeez. This wasn't what I intended.
It looks good. Oh my God, there's soap everywhere. Oh, you're going all the way through.
Yeah.
It'll be cool looking if you can swing it.
How do I transport it?
I think you just leave it, the other soap will like glue it together.
Yeah, but I want the walls to be like somewhat solid.
Oh yeah, you don't want it leaking in. You might need to like add some more right here.
Okay.
I think we're good. I think they look great.
They look great.
Hey, we have like a whole variety. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's but there is like a progression. So we'll get to test different things and see what looks the best.
Okay.
Okay, let's clean up.
Okay. I decided to do some impromptu repair work while No, wait.
Don't you want me to record?
Pouring a little bit of like hot reinforcements.
Okay. Oh, that worked. It's like pouring wet sand on dry sand to like smooth out your sandcastle.
Yeah. All right.
Perfect. Okay. Let's clean up.
Again.
3 hours later.
All right, so the sugar scrubs have solidified enough that I am down to go.
We need to spray them with alcohol.
Oh, we need to spray them with alcohol.
Not yet, like right before, so I'll put that here.
Okay, cool.
Wait, you gotta slow your roll.
Already going?
Yeah.
Oh,
new method.
Nice.
Do you heat up that knife? So pros. Oh my gosh. Nobody ever cut soap this fast. Ah! What colors do you want to do?
This blue, this purple, gold. I want to copy this pretty much exactly. Some drops of this ink.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna have to move pretty fast because I'm gonna want to do 3 pours of 4 different colors all at once.
Okay.
So I'm gonna mix these from light to dark, so I don't need to like change the stir stick in between.
Soap queen tip.
Worst case scenario,
It's all ruined.
Remelt it all, and
Oh yeah.
that's okay.
You could reserve a little X. Okay. Okay.
White, complete. Gold.
You're doing great.
Okay, so you start with white.
Okay.
Oh, already looks cool.
Yeah.
And you go to gold, purple at the same time.
Oh, you have a method.
Oh, I got some in the middle.
That's oh. I was gonna say it's okay. I don't know if that's okay. So it's a little bit flowier than resin. Well, that's looking cool though. It's looking really cool. Okay, and
A
then
little bit of blue.
blue, yeah. Ooh. We didn't spray it with the alcohol.
Oh. It'll be okay, right? Where's your confirmation that it'll be okay?
Well, I have no confirmation for you. They look beautiful.
I almost want to like add more sparkles or something.
We don't have any like soap glitter. We have normal glitter. You want some hollow?
All right, here, let me just add like,
You doing the inks?
I'm just gonna try it.
Oh my gosh, it actually legit looks like geodes.
I'm the heat gun.
Actually, it's working.
Does that look good?
I think it looks good. Well,
think it
there's,
looks-
but get that one like this guy. He's a little prominent. Yeah.
Pretty decent though.
Yeah, it actually does look pretty decent.
Oh yes.
Yeah, just make sure you don't overblend because you don't want it to just
Yeah,
become
okay,
one
okay,
color.
yeah.
I think they actually look really good. I mean, maybe we can carve out the soap in the middle
the
of that
spills
guy.
that I made. Ah. Whew.
I was stressed for you.
Wait, can you film this?
Oh yeah.
We need to break the bubbles.
Yeah, break them bubbles.
I think that if I were gonna do it again,
Yes, tell me because I'm about to go.
I might do more gold.
Okay.
I think that's the one thing I wish I had more on this one.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah, your turn. What
Right.
colors are you gonna do?
I'm gonna try to do the geodes from our geode table.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do like teals and greens and golds and whites.
Nice. Oh, that's gonna look cute.
Thanks.
I'll just do 2 whole rows.
2 whole rolls. Okay.
Yeah.
If we got extra, we'll just, party. Man, we've gone through a lot of soap in the past couple days.
Oh, that's the best angle.
Today's video is brought to you by NordVPN.
And to demonstrate what a VPN does, we brought some props. So imagine this clear tube is the internet, and this is your data moving along inside of it.
Oh, I can see it so clearly.
Everyone can see it, but with NordVPN, no one can see what's going on in there. And that's what you want if you're on a public Wi-Fi, like if you're at a coffee shop or you're traveling. You don't want everyone seeing all of your data.
Yeah, so NordVPN, it works on Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and there's really no excuse because you can try it out. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you want to start taking your internet safety seriously, go to nordvpn.com/Evan and Katelyn. We will have a link below, and you can get a special offer of 75% off a 3-year plan. That's just $2.99 a month, and use code Evan and Katelyn for 1 month free. So nordvpn.com/Evan and Katelyn. Use code Evan and Katelyn.
Thanks, bye!
Nord, and thank you guys for listening to our ad. Okay, yeah, I think we're chunk free.
No more chunks for us.
Are you ready? Am I ready?
I don't know.
We ain't got no recipe for this part. Go time.
Oh my gosh, that's so much.
The white might be too much, but it'll be like the least evident if there's chunks. This will be interesting. My colors kind of look more like Easter eggs than geodes.
Is it time?
I mean, I think it's like goodish.
That's what we aim for here on Evan and Katelyn. Goodish.
I'll reserve a little blue and some green. 2 spots of green here. Do like a more mixed one there. Okay, okay. Oh, there's a big chunk of pigment in the gold. Maybe I did do too much in the gold. Yeah, it'll be like a blender.
That looks great so far. I think that the amount of pigment you did is the right amount.
These might, almost flung that one. I'm just gonna keep pouring.
I think, yeah, keep on pouring. Because I think pouring might distribute them some too. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's cool. Yes, I'm feeling this. It's interesting, you can kind of see like flow patterns.
You're being so much more controlled and patient than I was. Oh, really on top?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do both.
Bold.
And just like one on the mold, for good measure.
Nice.
Okay. Ooh, they're flowing. I'm trying to just add in some more texture. Ooh, I can like scoop from the bottom.
I guess I should be filming this.
Yeah, what the heck? I feel like mine looks a lot less like a geode than yours.
It looks cool.
It looks cool. My colors were maybe a little off. But this is helping. Like I'm scooping from the lower and like dropping it.
It's like forming like the cracks in the surface, kind of, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I think I'm good. Let's see.
This one's my favorite.
Yeah,
that one's
that's
really
pretty cool. Mine kind of look like eyes.
Oh my gosh.
What if we did black sugar scrub next time and then it was like soap eyeballs? Okay.
Well, I guess we just need to let this cool.
Yeah.
And then it's time to reveal our final product. I am excited.
I'm also very excited. Okay, see you guys in a few.
Pew. All right, Katelyn, you ready?
Yeah, it's been about 3 or 4 hours. Oh wait, no, I wasn't. I was like ready to film. I wasn't ready for this. Okay, it's been about 3 hours. So we're gonna see if we can pop these out.
I'm just gonna try pushing from the bottom. Oh, that's magical.
Oh, it's like a little tart. Whoa, look at the alcohol ink.
Wow.
Weird.
It like settled down strangely. Kind of wanna like.
Oh, what are you? Oh, you're like completing the hole?
Yeah, look at that. Okay, and also on this one, I'm gonna test something.
Oh, you're gonna like shave it off?
Kind of wanna like flatten this down. Oh, look at that.
That does look nice.
That looks nice. It makes.
But I feel like you should do the edges. Yeah.
Let's clean this up.
That's really cool. Slicing it made a big difference. Because it made it actually look like a geode slice.
Yes. And the surface texture difference is like a lot. This is smooth and slick. And then it's like that rough.
Yeah.
I'm actually like kind of excited to try this out. Like wash my hands with it or something.
We definitely will test one of these.
Oh yeah. And cleaning out the inside.
Oh, it's like scraping a hole. I don't know if I was gonna compare that. Oh, it's so satisfying.
That's nice. Not so much. That's nice. We learned some lessons.
Yeah, but we only need one side to look good.
Yeah. All right, more.
Look at that. Oh, yeah. That makes such a huge difference.
Oh, yes.
God dang it, that's good. Yeah, cleaning up those edges makes a big difference. Let's start with the ugly one.
Or what if that turns out to be the prettiest one?
It's like so smooth. I'm gonna try to cut off my extra scrub as well. Nice. Oh yeah, that does look better. My top is pretty clean.
How did you pour more cleanly than I did? Don't answer that question. That looks really neat. The flat looks really nice.
It really does look like crystals, honestly.
Yeah.
It really does have a crystally look and a crystally feel, which is super cool. That worked out better than I expected.
Oh, that is great. And there's still a little bit of an edge.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, there we go.
Yes.
Man, I'm really pleased with these.
Yeah. Wow.
Do you want to,
Put them to the test?
yeah, try one out?
Yeah.
Well, we can test. Should we cut it first before we like lather it up? You know.
We'll maybe do it for this one. Sorry.
Okay, so we'll cut him first, and then
Yeah.
we'll test how it feels to use the soap with the scrub integrated.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, who gets to cut?
I mean, we're cutting mine. I feel like I should get to. Ooh, unshoot.
Unshoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Just like do good cuts, okay?
Just do good cuts.
Okay, are you
ready?
ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready. How is it?
Oh,
Oh, it sounds so good.
oh, it's so crunchy.
Oh. Oh, that's so nice. Show me that cross section. Give me that other one.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Wow, look at the way that the gold swirled
Wow.
and the color
I
swirled on the
love
side.
that.
That's like Starry Night kind of stuff.
Oh my gosh.
I took my spoon and I dipped down and stirred it.
it. That's amazing. Okay, do you want to further cross section the cross section?
Do. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, yes. Oh, that's amazing.
Oh my God, that crunch.
Oh. Oh, it's like a slice. It's like a lemon slice.
It is.
Just put that in your drink.
Maybe not.
They look so tasty.
I know. Why do I just? No, I can't. Should we try lathering up? Ooh, the sugar's kind of nice.
Oh, and it's foaming nicely.
The alcohol ink might be a little stained. Ooh,
I'm going for a thick lather. It really tests its durability.
it's still holding together. I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
It can deal with Evan levels of crazy.
Heaven levels of cleanliness.
All right, so how did we do? I think we did awesome.
I think we did pretty darn good.
I think the only advice I'd give if you guys were gonna try something like this is maybe dilute those like concentrated inks a little bit into something else so they aren't as concentrated.
Maybe, or just like don't care what the bottom looks like. That's kind of how I feel.
Well, but also when we were washing our hands, some of that stain came out a little bit.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, do it Evan's side. Don't do it outside.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did.
We'll probably move on to non-soap projects for the next one since we did 2 in a row, but this has been super fun. Let us know if you guys want to see more, and we'll see you all next time.
Bye!
Bye! Oh, also check out our gaming channel, evanandcaitlin.com. Wait, Evan and Caitlin Gaming.
Bye!